Hello everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. Now this is a tip I want to share with you guys. Some of you guys still have lead acid batteries like we do. I still run a 900 amp hour battery bank of T105 RE batteries. Now they're fairly easy to keep up, but every once in a while I have to get in here and top them off with water, distilled water. And if I was to do this all by hand, it would take me forever. And I could get a watering cap system, but that kind of alleviates the ability to check them and make sure everything's working. Every once in a while I put my hydrometer on them. But instead of doing it by hand, I have got a cheapy 1 1/4 gallon home garden sprayer that I got from Harbor Freight. You can get a better one if you want to. And I fill it full of distilled water, and then I just take this tip off down here, and then it's just like a water hose coming out. So I fill each individual one with that, and then when I'm done, I put the tip back on, and I'll clean the batteries with baking soda water to make sure I don't have any acid on the top, and then I take that sprayer and then spray the batteries off and clean the dust and all the nasties that get on there from traveling, because this is a semi-open area. If you look there, you can still see where there's light coming through. Well, we have this open because of those lead acid batteries and the propane also. Alright guys, this is just a real quick tip I just wanted to share with you. This is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homestead saying God bless and happy trails.